Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Caring by Sydney. I've got a Porsche 911 SC that we've done a lot of upgrades on this car here. Just want to show you what we've done today. We finished our actual work and nearly ready for handover to the customer to take. But I just want to show you the front LED daytime driving lights. Turn the ignition on. That's the ignition on. Turn left. Left indicator. So when you turn left, the actual light become amber, and then we off. When you turn it back off, it goes back to normal. See here, that one and that one there. Back to normal now. So go turn right. It comes on. Off. Okay, see. Only it comes on with the key. Okay, let's go look at the back. The back, we've done a full conversion, EFI conversion on this car here. We've done a full engine rebuild as well. Engine rebuild and upgraded the barrels and pistons to 3.2. So you got 3.2 pistons inside this car here. This is the EFI system. I've got a fuel pressure gauge there. That's a good tool to have. On every 911, if you ask me, if it doesn't start, at least you can see the fuel pressure. And the actual regulator there for the fuel. Idle system for the idle. It's got an idle system. We've got a computer inside the car. And injectors for the body and fuel line stuff. Okay, put the ignition on. Okay, put the lights on. So when you have the lights on, the Porsche lens reflector lights up as well. Lights off. Lights on. Hit the brakes. So when you hit the brakes, that flashes there. It's a good thing to have so people can see you. Brakes off. Hit the brakes. Brakes off, goes back to light. So it looks like a, see all the lights are on. So when you're driving at night, that's all you see there. Okay, this car is nearly ready to go. We've done a lot of work and conversion and stuff like that. We even have a camera at inside the car. This is the camera for the back. Front, back, put in reverse, goes back down, take it out reverse, that's in reverse, goes back happy, back to normal. Alright, there's a lot of work we do for 911s, old 911s, so I can even install a radar system in your car, so when people are actually driving too close to you, there'll be a light flashing like a normal car. Pretty much whatever you want. We can put a GPS system in the car as well. I can put a this EFI conversion here. I can fit on a. We can do the Ferrari V12, Maserati V8, V12, even V6 and V8 and V10, but not the 5 cylinders. All right, Mustangs. Pretty much any car with the. If you need a EFI conversion, we can do it, pretty much whatever you want. Okay, just a quick rundown there of this beautiful 911. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.